Hi, today we talk about how do you pay with a paysafecard step by step. The paysafecard is a prepaid card that enables shoppers to make online payment without disclosing personal information or bank details. It can be used in several countries and allows shoppers to combine up to 10 pins for a single payment. Additionally, shoppers can manage their pins in an online e-wallet called My paysafecard, where they can view transaction history and make payment by entering their username and password. To use a paysafecard to make a payment, 1. Once the shopper selects the paysafecard payment method on the payment page, they are redirected to the paysafecard website. 2. The shopper can either input their 16-digit paysafecard PIN or their My paysafecard username and password to log in to their wallet. 3. The shopper proceeds to follow the instructions displayed on the screen to complete the payment. 4. Once the shopper journey is completed, they may be redirected back to the success URL.